Robo Rock Radio Show on UR 105.9.
And we're back, and this is the Robo Rock Radio Show only here at UR 105.9. Again, this is your DJ Robo Reclamo.
And now, this is also DJ Venom, and we are joined by
DJ Mazinger Chi
and Mike Ryder.
And of course, our winner for last week's Robo Rock Question of the Week, Dico Ipis.
No.
Alright.
DJ DI.
Robo Reclamo, I have a question about Bioman.
Sure.
Kasi the Mason, si Farah, and
Vargo,
na ano sila, na upgrade sila, di ba?
Oo.
What happened?
Naghahang kasi sila kaya in-upgrade.
This would be like, kasi the season would be like what? 52 episodes. So
Yeah.
midway, mga 26. This like meteor passed by around the world, sort of made them like malfunction. They got like repaired, whatever, give them power. So after that, what's that? The 5 Noid guys.
Yeah, what
They lost. No,
they lost one.
No, they lost 2. They lost Plasmanoid and I think they lost Falconoid. They only had Aquanoid.
Falconoid's one of the oldest.
He was the first.
He was the first enemy.
Right. They lost the 2 guys, but the 3 guys were really
No, they had upgraded powers. Because Zeroid.
Go ahead.
Zeroid used to have finger missiles. After that, it became like chest missiles.
Tsaka si Farah, nagkaroon siya ng Farah Kiss, di ba? Farah Kiss na ano.
He had like, didn't she have that before pa? She had like a signature power move din before eh.
What I know of is those Noids, meron din silang mga moves ng sarili, di ba? Yung parang we are the blah 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 5, parang something, di ba?
Yeah, that's like a staple in every Japanese.
Pero lumabas lang yun sa second season.
Tsaka di ba si ano? Kasi usually parang one of the big 3 would be paired up with only one of the Noids.
Yeah.
But you can't call them Noids. They have to have a name.
Noids.
We can't look it up eh.
Bubble bombs. Nakakatawa yun.
Kinetic freeze.
Si Cynthia Luster, isa sa mga alalay ni Farah, di ba?
Oh, hindi. Si Cynthia Luster.
Paracat was
Cynthia Luster yun?
Cynthia Luster yun, yung alalay niya.
Oh my God. See, I don't even believe. Cynthia Luster's Japanese?
Hindi. Parang ano yan.
Under contract.
Hong Kong yan. Pero bago pa yan maging ano.
Marami naman mga Hong Kong celebrities na nagtatrabaho sa Japan eh.
Bago pa siya gumawa ng movie with si Dennis Padilla and Vic Soto, nag-Bioman muna yan.
That famous Japanese actor Takeshi Kaneshiro is a Hong Kong superstar.
He is,
Diba, he was in some mga robot stuff also.
Yeah. Guys, I think it's time for before we call our guest, it's time to do
Yes, we have a guest today.
It's time to do our
Shameless plug! What?
Okay.
Ow!
This is Shameless Plugs. We'd like to thank our sponsors, Pansit Malabon Express, dial 828-8888. Pansit Malabon Express. Our comic sponsors are Psycom Publishing and
we have Druid's Keep from Unit 315 Gateway Center, Paseo de Magallanes. Sorry.
Paseo de Magallanes.
sa may Rustancio.
And of course, we have our clothing sponsors like Draven, Molecules, Particles, and what else?
Which
What else
are
do we have?
in conjunction with the Frontac show, actually.
Yep.
There's also Cybertron Philippines. By the way, tomorrow, if you're free and are at...
It's an SMX, right?
No, I keep making a mistake of saying...
no, there's
Mall of
another
Asia.
event.
Yeah, this one would be a continuation of the Hasbro Grand Toy Fair. This time, our leg would be in SM North, the Block. Yeah,
the Block, that's a nice place.
You can find us there. There's like going to be 15 cosplayers walking around. Just say hi. I think I'm going to be Darth Vader again.
And I want to congratulate also Ricky Santa Ana and the whole crew of Dutdutan, the whole crew of Skinworks. Congratulations.
What's the name of the tattoo shop that made
Congratulations to Skinworks. I want to thank Camille, I want to thank Ricky Santa Ana, I want to thank all of the people involved in Dutdutan for making a great show last week. It was such a big hit, so much people in it, and surprisingly, yours truly, our DJ, Mr. Venom, had a tattoo done.
Yes, I did. So I'd like to thank Nina, Doc Carlos, from Herbie Tattoo. Thank you very much.
Where's her tattoo shop?
Oh, see. Well, actually,
read
doesn't
the
say
card.
in her card.
Why don't you
actually.
just read the number if there's a number?
I'll just say like the multiply. You can just
Okay.
check it out. Herbie Tattoo, but you have to spell Herbie with a HERBEE, then tattoo. .multiply.com. It's really nice. I picked her because like she had a soft touch. She's like a
Where was
very nice
where was
woman.
Lutan held? In a venue, right?
No,
Hindi,
no, no.
sa World Trade Center,
Our
sa May Ross
trade.
Boulevard.
Moving up.
And
also, you
no,
can-
actually last year dun.
Dun din,
Then lumipat sa A-Venues, bumalik dun.
Okay,
So,
okay.
Is it the same hall though, not the big one?
No, it's the
The
10th
side
kasi
wall.
katabi nung
So what,
World Trade.
was it painful, the tattoo?
What's the design muna? Can you
Yeah,
tell
can you like show
everyone?
it to us?
I can't show it to you guys.
Why?
Only my significant other will get to see it. You know?
Which is no one.
That's because it's I don't know.
Where do you- where
I like
is
to
it
keep my
anyways?
options
No,
open.
explain muna the tattoo. What design is it? You tell the listeners what design you got.
Well, for one, since
For the Transformer fans
come
out
on,
there.
dude. It's like a surprise.
Ay,
You don't have to
sorry.
give it away.
Sorry.
But don't
Well,
worry, it's not just the usual Transformers, Autobots, or Decepticon sign. This has a special place in my heart that is now placed in my back.
They can see it in Facebook. Yeah.
I have not put it up yet.
Will you put it up anytime soon?
I will, but I gotta wait until like the heat dies down and my mom's not worrying about it.
You told your mom.
Nope, not yet.
Not yet.
I'm gonna wait until she sees it on TV at the Front Act Show. At the Solar.
Hey, Front Act shows every
Every
Saturday.
Saturday.
don't worry,
Solar TV.
Our new season is coming up already.
This Saturday's our
This
4th
Saturday.
season.
October 2. Yep.
4:30
4:30
p.m. on
PM.
Solar TV, channel 14 on cable.
And I also want to plug some shows. Reclamo is playing at Route 196 this Saturday for the Gugu Gujub production.
What was that again?
Gugu Gujub production.
Saturday.
outfit.
What is
This
that?
Saturday at the newly renovated
renovated.
Route 196. They have really great stuff there. They have their own
What did they
LCD
change?
screens.
I mean, I've been
put,
there,
They
like-
put a bunch of screens, monitors that you can just watch videos and whatnot.
Yeah,
Because
and
before,
speaking of
when you had like
shows,
We brought, diba?
when we had like launches, we kept showing
Oo.
like the Jejemon, the
Yeah,
Reclamo band
we had to,
video.
yeah.
Yeah, and
Done by the very
speaking of
talented-
shows on Saturday, so if you can't make it to Route 196 on Saturday, our friends Mike Unson and Stanley Chi will be performing at Guaylos Makati on Carlos Palanca Street for the show You're Gonna Love This More. It's a fundraiser for ELC's teacher Olga Yuson. Tickets are 200 pesos each. And all proceeds, and I mean all, will go to Teacher Olga. So please drop by Guaylos Makati on Saturday, 9 p.m. for You're Gonna Love This More. This is actually part 2 because we had You're Gonna Love This, so this is You're Gonna
Alright,
Love This
that
More.
was our first part of our
Shameless plug.
I think we're
Yeah.
gonna be doing more plugging right now.
We're gonna be doing a lot of
Because
plugging,
we
and
have a guest.
we have a guest. We have our musical guest for tonight, a good friend of ours, Denin Man.
Denin Man.
Denin Man.
Hello.
He sounds like a Sentai group actually.
That should be
he's
Denin Men.
Denin Man.
Yeah, that's
no,
like-
Jetman, Bioman,
That's
Denin
the
Oh,
kind
okay.
of name Dr. Man would say, eliminate Denin
Denin
Man.
Man, or bring out Denin Man.
Bring me the head of Denin Man.
Didn't they never say bring me the head?
No, that
It's just-
was in Superbook.
They always say destroy.
Oh my god, we're gonna go to
Destroy.
religious stuff.
Alright,
Yeah,
Denin
like-
Man's album is called Songs for Lama, and it features
Songs for Lama.
it's an 11-song album track with music videos in the same CD, you know?
Right.
It's in the same
That's
CD.
like ABCD, di
It's
ba? That's what
music
they call it.
videos with Lana, Bittersweet, In Dreams, and Joyride. And Denin Man, Songs for Lana, album produced by Denin C, which I think is with us tonight.
Right.
Yeah.
Hi, Denin.
Good evening, then.
So tell us more about your album.
The album is, I think, it's done 2007, and I just released it,
2007, okay.
formally released it this year,
Ah,
because of
Well,
distribution deals.
okay.
Like that.
But you guys are not signed. This is all independent.
That's
Very good.
Who's distributing? Just you?
Synergy Music,
Synergy Music, okay.
This is available where?
available in Odyssey outlets
Yep.
nationwide.
Great.
Odyssey. That's where you pulled out the CD for
Yeah.
Dico Ipis.
Yes, yes, I went to Odyssey, just got one.
May tanong lang ako, ba't Denin man ang pangalan mo?
It's more of a...
I
Marami
thought
na rin
it's
nagtanong yun
Oh.
Pero it's more of a Superman in this recording studio.
Come again?
I did yung mga drum tracks, tapos yung mga bass lines, parang ano na siya, nakaayos na siya.
So it's a homage to Superman. So you're Denin Man. So you have a costume with the letter D, ah?
I thought it was like
Isip
a
ko parang
clothing
belt
sponsor.
Parang belt
Thing.
yung logo. Kaya lang mukhang Daewoo. Tsaka Daihatsu.
In your album jacket or something?
Nabanggit mo sa amin kanina na you have a big Pokemon collection.
Yeah.
Now, who's your favorite Pokemon? Ay, sorry.
Meron akong favorite si Machamp.
Oh.
Evolved form
Machamp.
ng mga Machoke. Mga ganun.
Machamp.
Tapos, yung Slowpoke.
Wait a minute. I want to go back to Machamp
Yeah,
first.
Machamp.
It's like supposed to be Machop.
Machamp.
Then Machamp. Then Machoke.
I'm sorry, Machamp,
Yung
Machamp,
Machamp
and
yung
Machoke.
pinaka-evolved form niya.
Huh. Is it a choke?
Ay, hindi. Yung
No,
second yata
this
yun.
It's
all
choke
came from
first.
Machu. Tama ba?
No. Machop.
Machop.
Machop is
Yun.
small. Then is
And
it
then
champ
it
or
evolved.
choke?
Machoke yung second.
Oh,
evolved
okay.
form. Tapos
I know.
yung Machamp, siya na yung parang pinaka-fighter.
Okay.
Sino ang
I thought you
pinaka walang kwentang Pokemon?
Psyduck!
Psyduck. Pero di ba powerful din siya, di ba?
Yeah, when
Pero
you
sa
get
looks,
enough.
yung Diglett, yung...
Oh, okay.
yung parang ano
The
sa
Diglets
itsura
are-
kasi parang ano lang Parang sausage.
No, that's weird because I bet if you look underground, that's just like, I don't know, like, you can see like just the head, but underground, like it's like a huge like monster underneath, but you just can't see it.
Yung parang starfish na kasama ng babae, anong
That's-
powers nun?
That's Starmie and Staryu.
Oh, anong power niya?
It's the same as all the
What
other
a name,
water.
Starmie and Star You.
Yeah. They're like, mostly all of them just say, put water. They throw water. The song first?
No, we're just playing it. We're just playing it now.
Ano ba yung kinokollect mo sa Pokemon? Yung cards ba o yung toys?
Yung toys.
Is it the small figurines?
Ah.
My nephew keeps asking me for stuff for these hard to find freaking figures.